there. You got a burrito. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. There you go. All right. What about sale? Don't wrap it up yet. There you go. All right. What? How's Caveman doing today?
Very good.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, sir. What are you doing?
Came out here for one night. I had a band thing posed.
That's what they said, yeah. There you go. Show me your chicken legs. All right, eat them. Eat them.
No, cross your arms like and eat each other.
Please no. Please no.
No, eat your own though.
Woo! Birthday, dear Stickman! Happy birthday to you! Woo! What we got there?
I got a fugler.
A what?
Fugler.
Bugler?
And, yeah, baby fugler.
There you go. Thank you. Let me see your trident. Let me see your trident.
Huzzah! From the worlds of the depths of hell!
All right.
Ladies will know my roar!
Get on the PA.
Scout away. I think you guys both know.
Hey. What are you?
I'm in the Ryan Ranger.
Ryan Ranger. Very good. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me.
Wait, Wesley.
Oh, you can't even see what's going on. That is awesome. That is pretty cool. That is cool. Here, you hold it real quick and get that video. There you go. Look at that. That is awesome.
I'm gonna send out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to send out for this.
What do you guys got?
A thing.
Where'd you come up with that at?
Her brother created it.
Alright, show me the sign. Hang on, hang on.
I want to keep
Alright, give me a nod. Very cool. Give me a wave. You got a big so you made it by before I got a video of you. Where's your instrument at?
So I traded from geode to the instrument. Then I traded the instrument for this at deer school, and the deer school for this.
Very cool. Very cool.
What? That guy. Here's one of the things. No shot, bro. Do not try. I got it. It's a fully working bow. Bro, how? Did you bring this?
What a wave.
Oh my goodness.
That is awesome. Thank you. What kind of drone you got there, do you know?
I got a DJI Campout.
Oh yeah? You bring it or you trading for it? Yeah, can you show me that thing working? Very cool. Very cool. Did you make that?
Yeah.
Yeah? How long did it take to print?
I'm not sure. It was, I'll show you. There's a crankshaft. All these parts connect to the crankshaft and it spins. I'd say about maybe a day.
Okay.
Everything combined.
Very cool. That is cool.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can I make
There you go. Hey, you gotta show me what you got. What'd you get?
Got a toaster oven.
A toaster oven. What are you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna have to pass on that one.
What? Turn on.
somebody
Turn on.
drop?
His fish flops.
It's fish flops. All right, turn on. Let's see you. No, other way. Turn the other way. There you go. What do you got?
Got an old camera.
Woo! Look at that. Whose boyfriend is it? You wave. Is that fun? You wave too.
Nice to meet you. Wait, you guys are the ones. Hi.
What did you get?
Good seeing you guys.
A wake? Oh, it was so much cooler till you turned around. All right, give me a wave. Give me a wave. Oh.
What's up, guys? This guy behind the camera is the best person I've ever met.
There you go.
He's the best guy. Give him a follow.
Happy
Happy birthday, Stickman!
And the front end off like a go-kart.
Yeah.
And some MREs. Wave. Wave. Everybody have fun? Yeah. That is pretty cool.
It's heavy.
It's heavy?
It's really heavy.
You got the full backpack and everything, man. That's a pretty cool jacket. There you go. Big star on a cone. Oh, that's cool too. You guys make that? That is cool. Give me a wave. There too. Very cool. Did you guys bring those or you trade for them?
Yeah, brought him.
Brought them? Very cool. And what you holding there? Let's see if we got a little you guys are. Pull your mask out real quick just so you can see you. There we go. That way we got you. There we go.
$1,000 for one of them knives.
What'd you trade for it? Knife. A knife? A knife? Whoa! 1,000 Trump bucks. Give me a wave. Give me a wave. Hey, take your mask down. Give me a wave. There you go. Those are cool. Did you make them?
I did not.
You did not. Hold up the banana. Yeah, hold up the banana. There you go. Very cool.
Justin, like my stripes.
That is pretty cool. We're gonna get that.
I started with a rock and then traded up to a car tire, and then someone traded me the chandelier from the car tire.
Very cool. All right.
I got America and Truckers #1.
There you go. Awesome. There we go.
Half is hers, this house is us three.
Gotcha. Okay.
No video photography.
Look at you guys. That is cool. There you go.
Is there anything you can trade for?
No. Is that cheating? Give me a wave. Perfect. That is awesome. Give me 2 thumbs up. All right. You still got your flag?
Do I still have it in my bag?
That's right there. Get R2 out. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Leo, Adam, give me a wave. Give me a wave. Woo. Oh, it's Ethan. There you go.
Are you recording me right now?
Yes, I'm
Are you recording me right now?
I gotta see this. Give me a big wave. What all you got there? Is that bone?
Oh yeah, I guess these are pig ribs. That's
Pig ribs?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're like spray painted gold.
Okay. Very cool.
I have a collection of Volkswagen Beetles at the house, so this is an addition.
Yeah. Who had fun at Trappers? Dinner, Donna. Dinner.
Cut's very honest, to say the least. And out in Yellowstone, I ultimately trap beaver for a living.
We ran our horses right up to each other, and as we got up there, nose to nose, he pulls up his rifle and takes a shot at me and just grazes the side of my face. I pull out my pistol and I shoot at him and I blow his thumb off and it goes through the ball.
I scouted out a trail from Independence, Missouri into New Mexico territory, and that became known as the Santa Fe.
You know, there's fabulous geysers and huge waterfalls. It looks like the surface of the moon in some places. It smells like sulfur.